Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can use GradeTransfer to grab and fill your student scores into your Follet Aspen Gradebook so that you can seamlessly transfer grades. So in your Aspen Gradebook, you will want to be in the scores area. And to grab student grades, all you need to do is click into the first cell of the assignment column where you want to grab the student grades, go to GradeTransfer and click the big green Grab Data button. From there, your students' names and scores for that assignment will be automatically grabbed, and a pop-up summary will show you the information that has been retrieved. You can take this information to any of our supported filling gradebooks to fill it in. Okay, we're going to move on to filling, but I just want to remind you that you can grab from many supported gradebooks, not just Aspen. After you grab from any of our supported gradebooks in Aspen to fill, click into the first cell of the assignment column where you want to transfer your grades to, click on the extension, click the big green fill data button. Pop-up summary will ask you if you're sure this is where you want to fill because it will automatically save, and then you'll get a pop-up summary telling you the names and grades of the student's information that was entered. It will appear yellow at first, but then the cells will return back to gray after they save. Now, if any of these cells stay yellow, it is to show you that the grade did not transfer for that cell, and there's a number of reasons why that could be. Perhaps you didn't grab any student information for that student, or the grade was already entered before and did not need to resave. But that's it. Grabbing and filling, super simple, done with a click. All right, that's all for now. Happy transferring.